My dear students, take out Grammar Forever, Chapter 11. Children, today I will teach you articles. A, an, and the are called articles. These are used before naming words. We know that a and an mean one. Children, now here you come and see. I am going to eat an apple. An apple. I am going to eat the red apple. Means one particular apple, the red apple. So here we use the word the. Now I will teach you all this, how and where to use what. A and an refers to general, one of many. I want to buy a coat. A coat. He is eating an apricot. An apricot. Do you have a bike? A bike. She is an old woman. An old woman. I am reading a book. A book. Now children, here you see an apricot. Before A, E, I, O, U, all the vowels, we use an. So here before apricot, apricot starts with A, we write an apricot. Old, again O, we use an. But the words, all the consonants like C, B, B, we use A. Turn the page. Now, the refers to specific, one specific thing, particular thing. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. So here we use the capital of Japan, the. The new Chinese restaurant is very good. We like the blue car, one particular car, the blue car. The girl in the red dress is beautiful. The girl who is wearing the red dress is beautiful. So specific, particular, we use the. I am reading the new book by J.K. Rowling. The new book. Now use an if the word starts with the sound of A, E, I, O, U. I told you here. An alligator. Any word starting with A, E, I, O, U, you will use an. An alligator, an igloo, an oven, an octopus, an elf, an urn. Use a if the word starts with the sound of any other letters, means all the consonants, other than this A, E, I, O, U. For B, C, D, all these words you will use a. Do not use the with countries or cities. Here you see, I live in the China, it's incorrect. We do not use the with countries or cities. I live in China, it is correct. Do not use the with things in general. She likes the pizza, incorrect. She likes pizza, correct. She likes the pizza from Tony's restaurant, it is correct. Now children, again I will explain you. Here I have explained the refers to specific, one specific thing. So here we told a sun, a moon, an earth, a sky we do not use. So we always say the sun, the moon, the earth and the sky. Specific, particular, one thing, so we use the. I think it's clear. Because in standard 1 also you have done articles. Now come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I have done this, but I will read it out for you. A bird is flying in the sky. The earth goes round the sun. Take an umbrella when you go out in the rain. An astronaut can go to the moon. An old man cannot become a young boy again. Can we say amen? No. An apples? No. A dogs? No. An hour? Yes. Now children, this exercise, the frog and the ox, complete the paragraph by filling the blanks with a, an or the. You will do this on your own. Watch the video again nicely and read the lesson. I will send you the written work. Thank you. Have a good day.